Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Reels visibility limited error. So hi everyone, as we all know, they limited your visibility, and or this error is just because of the following reasons: posting content that violates community guidelines, by also using copyrighted music or media, either spamming or engagement, and repeatedly posting misinformations or sensitive content, etc. So to make a solution for this problem, or to know what you did wrong or what you have doing wrong, you just need to go into your Instagram, and then I want you to head over into your profile by tapping on your profile picture on the bottom right corner. Tap on it, and right here I want you to go into this three lines. Tap on it. Alright, so you need to look for the account status, that one, the second option. Tap on it. Sorry, account status. Alright, so right here, if you have any problem of or any reason that can limited your visibility of Reels, or that's will cause you the error of Reels visibility limited, they will or that problem or the reason will be shown or visible to you right here in account status. So what I want you to do in the account status screen, you will have the flagged post or the issue that you face. So then choose disagree with decision or appeal. So then follow the prompts to submit your appeal. Anyways, and you will after submitting, you will get the response from the company of Instagram, Facebook, etc., and they will find you a solution or either give you a warning. Anyways guys, that's the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.